a city drowning in corruption and crime, one man rose not with superpowers, but with purpose. Bruce Wayne, a billionaire haunted by his parents' murder, became Batman, a symbol of fear for criminals and hope for the innocent. With allies like Jim Gordon and Harvey Dent, Gotham finally seemed to have a chance. The crime families were falling, and for the first time, the city looked like it might heal. But then came the Joker. No one knew where he came from, just a man with a painted face, a twisted smile, and a taste for chaos. He didn't want money or power. He wanted to show that deep down, everyone is just as broken as him. He said, "Introduce a little anarchy. Upset the established order, and everything becomes chaos." And that's what he did. He burned the mob's money, blew up hospitals, made people choose between life and death. He didn't just challenge Batman physically, he attacked him morally. He forced Batman to question everything: his rules, his limits, his hope. The Joker's biggest move? He corrupted Harvey Dent, the city's White Knight. After Rachel, the woman Bruce loved, was killed in the Joker's trap, Harvey lost everything, including his sanity. He became Two-Face, and Joker laughed because his plan worked. Batman caught the Joker in the end, hanging him from a building. But Joker wasn't angry, he was thrilled. "You won't kill me, and I won't kill you. I think you and I are destined to do this forever." Batman didn't kill him because that's his one rule, but he paid a price. To protect Harvey's image, Batman took the blame for his crimes. He became the villain so Gotham could hold on to hope. And that's what makes their rivalry so deep. The Joker wants chaos and Batman fights for order. The Joker laughs at rules, Batman lives by them. They're complete opposites, but somehow they complete each other. And so, in the shadows of Gotham, their battle never truly ends.